Let's learn SSH. In the next couple minutes, you're going to make your first connection to the Linux server. All right, let's get started. So first, a quick overview. What is SSH? Well, it stands for Secure Shell and lets you connect securely to another computer over the network and control it from your own command line. By default, SSH uses port 21. Most of the time, you don't have to type the port number because your computer assumes port 22 automatically. All right, so let's open up VirtualBox. Right click on the options right here. Go to Settings. From here, we're going to click on Network and make sure says attached to bridge adapter. Yours is probably going to say NAT. Just go ahead, change that to bridged adapter. Press OK. Then we're going to turn this on. Just right click, normal start. We're back at the login screen. Go ahead, type in your login name. Press enter. Your password. Press enter. We're going to look on our second adapter right here that says Ethernet link right here. This one is my server address. So that is going to be 192.168.110.193. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to bring up the command line. You can use PowerShell on this as well. I just like command prompt. From the command line, you're going to type in SSH, then your name that you entered in here, your username, and then at 192.168.110.193. Press enter. Yes, I want to continue. Type in your password. And we are in Linux. So just to prove it, we're going to go sudo apt update. Press enter. Press enter. And we updated it from Windows. Follow for more.